we rely very heavily on the reports. We have almost 900 standard reports that are available to our users at any time. Probably 20% of those are scheduled and are published on some frequency, some daily, some weekly, some monthly. But it's incredibly important to us. Additionally, we probably have another 500 or 600, I would estimate, ad hoc reports that our users, our engineers, even we have a couple of vice presidents that are probably some of the biggest power users we have.
Wow.
Our vice president of finance, our vice president of science and technology, they're constantly writing reports to dig in and spin information differently. So it's unbelievably important for us to have the information embedded, and that doesn't even talk to from say the quality and the productivity side of things. Our supervisors on the floor rely on the information that we can get to them through SAP for labor efficiency, for attendance, and those kind of things. Those are all reports we've been able to provide. Our quality department, or really the engineers, SAP allows us to stitch all the data together that we have from the manufacturing process to be able to tell exactly which machines and which people touched a product. So we have complete genealogy. We can tell, mother, father, grandfather,
Wow.
sisters and brothers of every piece of yarn on the floor. And so without the embedded analytics, it would take us so much longer to perform root cause analysis and correct problems on the floor, or issues before they become problems. Our reaction time is so much quicker. When I got there 16 years ago, we were taking pieces of paper off the pieces of equipment on the shop floor, adding up numbers in Excel. And now we've progressed to that's all in data collected automatically on the floor, and we use SAP to put it all together, stitch the whole story together, and give one unified data set, however you want to call it. And it's just been it's been critical.